How to get boarding pass on Expedia app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing on how to get your boarding pass on the Expedia application. So if you're having trouble obtaining your boarding pass, don't worry, this video will guide you through some simple steps to help you. The first step is to check in online. Open the Expedia application and make sure that it's updated to the latest version available and also log into your specific account. Now, go to the trip section located at the bottom center of the screen and you should see your upcoming flights or trips over here. If you can't find it, click on Find Your Bookings option, then enter your itinerary number and select Continue. Once you do this, your travel details will be displayed. Then follow the on-screen instructions and after that you will have the option to choose your seat if you wish. After successfully checking in, your boarding pass will appear on your screen. You can choose to save it or print it out. And if you're still experiencing issues after following the simple steps, it's best to contact the Expedia customer support or the airline directly. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can get a boarding pass on Expedia application. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.